Hi, this is Molly, and I'm a librarian with Spokane County Library District. Today, I'm going to give a quick overview of what our digital resource Flipster is and how to use it. You can find Flipster here in our digital library. You will need to use your library card number and password to log in, but once you do, Flipster is going to look like this. Flipster is a really cool digital resource for accessing and reading current magazines online, as well as some back issues. Flipster's quite straightforward to use. Here on the left, you can look for magazines based on category, or you can click through our magazine offers down here. Once you've found what you're looking for, all you need to do is click it. I already have this one pulled up, and it'll load the front page as well as the whole magazine. You can use these arrows here to navigate from page to page. If you know what you're looking for inside the magazine, where it says all issues, you can skip straight to specific articles based on the table of contents. All issues here is also where you will find back issues of the magazine if you want to look at something that was published a couple months ago. Flipster offers lots and lots of different categories of magazines, so there's something here for everyone, from hobbies to celebrity gossip to travel to news. The downside to Flipster is that there's no good or elegant way to download magazines, so unfortunately this is not the best resource if you're going to be on an airplane or in a remote location that doesn't have Wi-Fi. Flipster does have a really great app that you can download on your phone or tablet from whatever app store you prefer to use. I highly recommend it for more mobile access. Finally, Flipster is really just a quick, easy way to get magazines. We hope you enjoy it.